The Canon imageRUNNER 2630i displays the Remove Jammed Paper 000B00 error after several prints. This guide will show you how to locate the paper jam and restore normal printing. This error indicates that paper is blocked inside the printer. It may be caused by a paper misfeed or a torn piece of paper left in the paper path. Several sheets of paper are jammed inside the paper path. Removing them will clear the current error. But to help prevent the problem from happening again, the paper rollers and sensors will also be cleaned. The jammed paper has been removed, and the paper rollers and sensors have been cleaned. The printer is now ready for testing and normal operation. Regular cleaning and maintenance can help prevent future paper jams and ensure smooth, reliable printing. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more printer repair and maintenance tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.